Meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, we had a few storms fire up this weekend, but a lot of beach time for most people, especially if you were traveling here this weekend. You definitely had a lot of dry time to work with. Right now on our Stevenson Skyview camera network across the Cape Fear River, it's dark. Sunrise doesn't happen until about 6:30 this morning, but it is going to be a partly sunny start to our day. 76 degrees currently at the ILM Airport. Definitely very muggy out there with that dew point at 74 degrees. Northeasterly breeze about 3 miles per hour. And like I said, we saw a few storms fire up yesterday, but they were really right along the northern part of southeastern North Carolina and north of us. And what we're watching is basically a stalled out front. We were thinking it was going to actually pass to the south of us last week, but it just kind of got hung up over the Piedmont. And that's where it's going to remain. And we're just going to be seeing this linger overhead over the next several days. But what we're also watching is an area of low pressure down to the south. That's just dumping Florida with lots and lots of rain, but this is actually going to push to the west. So yes, we'll have chances for rain over the next several days, but not a really great chance. To see about 30 to 40% chance. So very typical for an August week. So today, partly cloudy skies, maybe a passing shower or storm. Definitely going to be hit and miss, not an all-day rain event. So if you have plans to be outside today, they should all be a go. You'll just have to keep an eye out for some of those storms that do develop heading into our Tuesday. Just really more of the same, a few PM storms, but definitely going to be very warm and definitely going to be very muggy outside. You'll definitely notice that it is summer outside. You won't be able to forget that over the next week. So starting out this morning, it's quiet now, but we'll see those showers start to come into play maybe mid-morning hours, already seeing some isolated showers and storms. And then really through the afternoon hours by drive time 5 o'clock, most areas will be dry and those showers and storms will either be to the north of us or they'll already be dissipated. So have that in mind. Basically from 10 o'clock until 5 o'clock, the better chances to see those storms. And then heading into our Tuesday, more clouds to deal with. And like I said, just more of the same, a few showers and storms possible in the afternoon. So this morning, if you're heading out for a run or a walk, you should be dry. Once we get about 11 o'clock, that's when we're going to increase those chances for rain. 87 degrees by then. And this afternoon, getting up to right around 90 degrees, hit or miss storms, partly sunny skies, south winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour, 86 degrees for the beaches, south wind about 10 miles per hour, and a low risk for rip currents. Your coastal waters forecast, south winds 5 to 10 knots and about 2 feet for the seas. Tonight, temperatures will cool down into the middle 70s to upper 70s right along the coast. Partly cloudy skies, maybe a passing shower, but things are very quiet in the tropics right now. If we pan across the Atlantic Ocean, have one little area of interest that is just east of the Bahamas, but that only has a 10% chance of tropical development over the next 5 days. So overall, things are pretty quiet. Just typical summertime weather pattern over the next 7 days. Just have to dodge the showers and storms every once in a while, but definitely going to see a lot of sunshine this week as well. Temperatures right where we should be.
Yes, I like them better at this rate. The 89s and the 90s are much better.
Yeah, definitely going to be hot still. Our heat index will probably be right around 100 degrees. So if you have to work outside, bottle of water definitely needed.